Hasin, please do send me the homework right now. Okay. Now, what is this? Yeah, this is the part 2 for our differentiation of P2 chapter. And I gave you guys last class, I gave you some homework from one of the exercise. Okay. So how do you do this? Let's see. They said the sector of the circle has an area of 100 centimeter square. Now, area of the sector formula key half r square theta. Area of the sector is half r square theta. So for a part, can you do, because they said show that perimeter. They mentioned perimeter, so you have to write perimeter. They mentioned area, so you have to write area. Okay, so area koto 100. Okay, radius koto. Then so half r square. Theta this is. Did they give us any theta? Sector, okay. No, they did not give us any theta also. Fine. So this is my areas formula. Let me go with perimeter. Now perimeter is 2r. 2r because there are two radius over here. 2r plus this perimeter. What is this perimeter? R theta. This is r theta. So r theta. Now we have to, now you can see here the theta is missing. Can you see there is no theta over here? So therefore you have to make theta the subject of the formula. So basically this is how you would do then. Let me make theta the subject of the formula. 200, because this 2 will go on the other side, cross multiplication. 200 divided by r square is equal to your theta. So let me substitute that over here. P is equal to 2r plus r multiplied by 200 divided by r square. So r and r gets cancelled. So what is it you guys are getting? 2r plus 200 divided by r. Hence proved perimeter. Now everyone who is over here, everyone understood? Hasin, where is your homework? So B part tomorrow doubt ase. One of them had doubting B part. They said find the minimum value for perimeter. Now, Mehak, this is one of the easiest. Find the minimum value. Minimum money ki dy by dx equals to 0 to na. So तुम्हार minimum value of perimeter बोलते. So एक काज करो प्रथमे. तुम्हें dp by dr find करो. उड़ा के differentiate करो. But differentiate करो आगे you need to simplify it. What will it be? 2r plus 200 r raised to minus 1. Okay, so 2 are a differentiation of it 2. At 200 raised to minus 1 a differentiation minus 200 r raised to minus 2. This is your differentiation. But they said minimum. Minimum mani ki equals to 0. If it is equal to 0, I hope you know how this is written. তোমরা এটা বুঝছো কিনা বলো এই -200 টাকে এখানে নিয়ে আসছি so change the sign. The sign will change, it will become positive, then it is -2, right? So it goes in the denominator and becomes this. So can you write r square is equal to 200 divided by 2, which will be equal to 100. So r is equal to root of 100, which is going to be plus minus 10. But ami plus 10 nibo because radius can never be negative. Okay, so you got your r, but they told us to find the minimum value of p. So now take the main equation of p. Main equation is p is what? 2r. What is 2 into 10 plus 200 divided by r. 200 divided by 10. Cancel, cancel. 20. Answer is 40. Is this clear? 40 centimeter or meter, whatever. Shobaki, clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo then. Let's go with the next one now. So this is the question number 9 I gave you guys. You know, these questions test your perimeter and area skills from your O level. Like, did you do them properly? How is your critical thinking? Okay. Okay, so let's do this now. Question number 9. Maria, do you have doubts in anyone? I just got your homeworks. Do you have doubts in anyone?
10.
Question number 10. Okay. I think question number 10, most of you guys are supposed to have doubts anyway, so it's okay. So let's try doing this one. Look at this shape. This shape is a rectangle with a semicircle. Yeah, consists of a rectangle with a semicircle. Okay, chalo. Now a shape consists of, okay, the shape consists of rectangular base, okay, with a semicircular top as shown. Given that, excuse me, I got a call. Pause record. Okay, guys. So yeah, call ended. Now let's see. Given that the perimeter of the shape is 40, now the perimeter of the shape, is it a semicircular top? Fine. Show that the area is so and so. Chalo. Let's try this then. It's a shape consists of rectangular base. So this is your R. This is the radius. Let's this be X. Okay. Let us make this X now. How much is this going to be? This is going to be 2 pi R divided by 2. This is going to be 2 pi R, which is R divided by 2. So ultimately this is going to be pi R. Okay, so I got their perimeters. Now let me find their perimeter because that is the first word they mentioned. Okay, so let me try perimeter. So perimeter is going to be, you are having pi R, which is this, pi R, then X plus X, so that is 2X plus R, only 1 R. Inside one we will not take because it is inside, it's not part of our perimeter. Okay, we just take the exterior boundary. আমরা শুধু exterior boundary আমরা করি। Now so perimeter কি হবে এখানে? There is actually nothing we can do after this. Let's talk about area now. So area is length into breadth, the rectangle, length into breadth, rectangle, plus the area of the semicircle. Semicircle area হচ্ছে pi r square divided by 2. Now you can notice what is missing here. You see the x is missing, so that means I can make x the subject of the formula. And how much perimeter did they give us? 40. So they gave us 40 as the perimeter, so I am writing 40 here. Fine. Okay, so I have to make x the subject of the formula. Let's do that. So if I make x the subject of the formula, I can write it 40 minus pi r minus r divided by 2 is equal to x. ওটা আমাকে এখানে সাবস্টিটিউট করতে হবে এরিয়ার জায়গায়। So let me substitute in terms of x. Yeah, anybody has issue, doubt?
2r হবে না?
You're saying 2r,
কারণ এটা radius, so
why 2r?
radius half না, তো এটা তো নিচে full line নিচে।
Wait, let me think. What are you saying? I still did not get. Let me
আপনার
look.
diameter নিছেন না? Like
It is not, diameter is not r, diameter is not r, the radius is r. Okay, let me
এটা
show.
তো
Wait,
perimeter আপনি r দিছেন।
wait,
perimeter
let me lock it. Oh, this is going to be 2r, you're saying. Okay, yeah, this is going to be 2r then. This made confusion. Okay, you're having 2r over here. You also need 2r here as well. Anything else?
No.
Okay, now এখানে x এর জায়গায় let me write 40 minus pi r minus 2r, 80 minus pi r minus 2r divided by 2 multiplied by r plus pi r square. এখানে আমি bracket দিচ্ছি, so now open all the brackets. If you open all the brackets, 40 divided by 2 is 20 pi r. Okay, this is going to be 20r because 40 into r is 20r. Okay, now pi r square divided by 2 is minus pi r square divided by 2 minus 2r square plus pi r square. So pi r square minus pi r square is going to be 20r, okay, plus pi r square minus 2r square is your answer. Now what is the thing we are talking about? Yes, pi r square divided by 2, correct? Yes, pi r square divided by 2 plus 2r 40. Oh, they got 40r.
You made some mistake.
Wait, I'm rechecking it. Wait. Okay, so I found my mistake. Instead of writing 2r, I wrote r over here. So when we did length into breadth, x into 2xr hobe, 2xr, 2xr. Okay, so এখানে আমি 2r দিয়ে দিছি। Okay, now let's see. And another mistake I wrote, I forgot to write pi r square divided by 2 here. Let me redo this whole thing again. Okay, so how much is it? 40 into 2, whatever, 2 gets cancelled. When 2 gets cancelled, you are left with 40r minus pi r square minus 2r square plus pi r square by 2. So minus pi r square plus pi r square should give me minus pi r square by 2, which matched everything. So hence proved. For 40r minus pi r square by 2, because এই দুটাকে যদি মাইনাস করি minus 2r square. সবাই কি বুঝছে? মারিয়া, মেহেক, বুঝছো? সুজি, everyone understood?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now question number 10. Everyone is having issue with question number 10, so let's try doing it. You know, we did this kind of questions in our O levels question paper as well, by the way. So some of you just don't remember them. That's the problem. Okay, main hint here is the number of boxes and stuffs like that. Okay, they said the shape of shown in a wire frame in the form of a large rectangle split by parallel length of wire into 12 smaller equal size rectangle. Given that the total length of the wire used to complete the whole frame is 1512 total length, fine. Show that the area of the shape is given by this formula, fine. Let's go with the area first. Let's write the easy of them. Area. How many boxes do I have? One box, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there are 12 boxes out there. So the total area is 12 into x into y. So 12xy is my area, fine. But as you can see, the y value is not here, so that means I have to make something with the x value. Okay, now let's talk about the perimeter. Now how many x do I have here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So I have 18x over here, plus how many y's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So I have 14y. Everybody agrees with me in this case? And the perimeter is 1512. 18x plus 14y. 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, 7. So now you can see your y value is missing in the from the main equation. That means you have to make y the subject of the formula. So you can write area divided by 12x is equal to y. Now in place of y here you can substitute a divided by 12x. So 1512. Achha, I got a message, wait. Okay, so 18x plus 14 into a divided by 12x. Okay, so now do I have everything to do with the x only? Yeah, it is everything to do with the x only. 1296 is there. And there is a plus sign and there is a minus sign in area. What am I missing? What am I missing? The whole frame, the total length of the used, okay, 12 smaller equal size rectangles. So one, yeah, I have 18 x's and 14 y's. Yes, I did that perimeter. Yeah. Yes, yes. And area is y into x, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 12. Fine. Okay, let's see what's wrong over here. Now 7 2s are 14 and 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14 and 6 2s are 12. So 1512 minus 18x is equal to 7a divided by 6x. Now let's do cross multiplication of this. If I do cross multiplication of this, it's going to be 6 into 1512. How much is it? 6 into 1512. 6 into 1512 kato? I don't know. I have the calculator. 6 into 1512. I didn't even start today's normal class yet, by the way. 9,000 72 minus 18 into 6, 108. Okay. And if you cross multiply, it's going to be x, and this is going to be x square is equal to 7a. Now divide both the side with 7. 9072 divided by 7. That is 1296. So this is 1296 minus 108 x square divided by 7 is equal to a. Shobaki clear is it? Everybody clear with this? Maria, you are supposed to have, you are having doubt in this. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Then they said, hence find the maximum area. By the way, I actually forgot to do maximum area of this one. Find the for B part. I think you guys can manage this on your own. You just have to do dy by dx. That's it. Okay, so they said maximum area over here, na? Hence find the maximum area. Okay. So for that, dA by dx, that is going to be 1296 minus 108x multiplied by 2 divided by 7 equals to 0. So 1296 is equal to 108 multiplied by 2, 216x divided by 7. Fine. I brought this whole thing on the other side. Now I'll do cross multiplication and solve it. Check. 1296 multiplied by 7. Okay, divide by 216. Got the 42. So x equals to 42. But that is x value. They want the maximum area from me. For that, I need the maximum area equation. Remember, don't forget. Tumra shobai ki karo x value find kore chup thako. That's not how it should be. Okay. So you're supposed to substitute 42 over here. So 1296 multiplied by 42 minus 108 into 42 square divided by 7 is equal to your area. After this, you guys can do on your own. So all three, you guys understood how you should make your this thing brain work over here. How different type of shapes they can give you. Yeah, everyone.
Yes.
Fine. Okay, so these, I don't know. I think I'll give you guys these things as homework most probably. Oh yeah, I actually have to give you question number 13, question number 12, these things as homeworks. Or maybe I can give them in test also. Who knows? Yeah. Okay, now this is over. Now, actually, our chapter was over yesterday. Yeah, you know what? Let's do some more practice. Already this 3 practice is done for us now. Let me do some shape related practice. Then I will go to the actual shape as well. Today it's going to be whole shape related practice only. Okay, you guys do question number 1 for me. 7 marks. I'll pause the recording. I'll give you around 7 minutes. Okay. So I gave you guys to do question number 1. So let me do exercise chapter review 7 exercise. What chapter review 7? Exam quoted question number 1. So let's do this sum. Okay. I think this is pretty easy. Yeah. They said given that y is equal to x raised to 3 by 2 plus 48 by x, find the value of x and the value of y when dy by dx equals to 0. Fine. So first of all, I need to do dy by dx for that, right? So let's do dy by dx. If I do dy by dx, I need to simplify it first. I did not simplify it, by the way. Simplification also has marks. 48 x raised to minus 1. So it's going to be 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 plus minus 48 multiplied by x raised to minus 1 minus 1. So 3 by 2, that is 1.5. 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. So x raised to half plus or minus 48 divided by x square. But find the value of x when dy by dx equals to 0. So this is your dy by dx and it equals to what? 0. So if you go on the right hand side of this, 3 by 2 x raised to half is equal to 48 divided by x square. Okay. Now, if you cross multiply, it's going to be x raised to half plus, that is going to 2.5 equals to 48 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. আচ্ছা বাকিরা সবাইকে এই স্টেপটা বুঝছো কিনা বলো আমি এখানে কি করছি? What I did here, you guys understood that step? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now, so we have 48 multiplied by 2 divided by 3, that is going to be 32. So x equals to 32 raised to 1 divided by 2.5. Remember, when 2.5 goes on the other side, power, it becomes 1 of that power. So raised to 1 divided by 2.5. Let me know. 4 is the answer. So x is 4. Everyone got this? Suji and everyone, jara jara padaiso amake samta. You guys got this?
Yes.
X equals to 4. Now we have to find the key y values. Yeah. Maria, good. Then Ahmad, Maria, what message did you delete before the picture? I think you deleted some message. Now, so x equals to, okay, so and so. Now x value. Now we have to find the y value. For y value, you need to always use the main equation of y. You need to always use the main equations of y. So copy clipboard, paste. So y equals to x 4 raised to 3 by 2 plus 48 divided by 4. Now do this in your calculator. What is the y value you guys are getting? Check. 4 raised to 3 by 2, that is 8. 8 plus 12. So that is 20. So y is 20. I hope everybody got y as 20. Fine. Then they are asking us, Bipa, show that the value of y which you found is a minimum. Okay. So whatever I differentiated here, I have to differentiate that again. So let me choose this part, the lasso part. Fine. Copy and paste. So B part এর জন্য আমি already যেটাকে differentiate করছি, I need to differentiate that again. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 48 x raised to minus 2 here. So let me start. 3 by 2, this is double differentiation, d square y divided by dx square. X raised to half minus 1 multiplied by half, sorry, made a mistake. Yeah, half into 3 by 2, half minus 1, correct. Then minus 48 multiplied by minus 2, x raised to minus 2 minus 1. So 3 by 4, x raised to minus half, because half minus 1 is minus half. Then plus 48 multiplied by 2. How much is that? 96. 96 x raised to minus 3. Now I have to substitute my x value here. I have to substitute my x value here. So if I substitute my x value here, it's going to be 3 by 4 x raised, sorry, 4 raised to minus half. Okay, plus 96 into 4 raised to minus 3. Put this in calculator and let me know how much you guys are getting. Here I'm getting for this one 0.375. Just let me know whether I'm correct. Okay, you guys do the double check. This I'm getting 1.5. So overall my values are greater than 0. So therefore it's a minimum. Okay, I'll pause the recording. Please let me know whether these values are correct or not. Okay, this was not that challenging of a question. This is done. This is not done. Not challenging of a question. It was okay, but 7 marks. That's a lot. Okay, let's do some. Yeah, let's do question number 6. After that, I'll go to question bank. Let's do question number 6. Okay, so I'll be doing this one right now. I think, let me see whether I can skip this, whether you guys are able to do this on your own. Okay, I'll pause the recording. Somebody came. Okay. Let me see whether I can skip this sum for you guys or not. calculate the coordinate. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I'm skipping this. I'm skipping this. Okay, you know what? Let me go to the question bank questions. This is the file differentiation one. Okay, I'll be sending it to you guys. So I have loads of some over there. Okay, keep on just practicing them. That is enough for you all. Okay, so let me start with this. Okay, they said question number one. Okay, a manufacturer produces a pain relieving tablets. Each tablet is in shape of a solid circular cylinder. Okay, so you guys are supposed to know area, volume, perimeter of cylinder. And what is given to us? Cylinder with a base of radius x, okay, and the height of h mm. Okay, now given that volume of each tablet has to be 60 millimeter cube, okay, express h in terms of x, they said. Okay, the volume is given to me, 1 mark. So volume is v is equal to pi r square h, if I remember, pi r square h. Okay, so volume is 60 pi r kata x pi x square h. Okay, express h in terms of x. Okay, so h equals to 60 divided by pi x square. This is clear with everyone, right?
Yes.
Everyone got this? Okay, fine. Let's go to the B part now. They said show that the surface area is so and so. Now let me do one thing. Let me copy paste this whole sum and start doing it in a new page itself. It's a big sum. Wait. Okay, copy to clipboard, paste. Oh no, this one crashed. Wait, pause. So now for the B part. Now for B part, see what would they mention? They mentioned the volume to us, and I found the volume. In B part, they also mentioned area to us. So let's do about the area concept as well. What is the area of a cylinder? If you guys have seen my lectures, which I don't think you guys did. Okay, do watch them. A cylinder has the formula of a normal cylinder surface area is very easy. You have two circles, top and bottom. So therefore you have 2 pi r square, and you have this curved area. This curved area, that is 2 pi r h, if I remember. Okay, so that is my area. You can see h is missing, so I have to just substitute 60 divided by pi x square in terms of h. So can I write 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r multiplied by 60 divided by pi x square? So instead of r square, I can write x also, right? So let me write x over here. Let me write x over here. Yeah, so you have x square and you have 2 pi r. Okay, yeah. So pi gets cancelled. X and x gets cancelled. You have one left. Okay. Page appended. Okay, fine. So I'm left with 2 pi x square plus, that is 120 divided by x. Let me see whether it matched. Yes, it did. 3 marks. I got it over there. Now, B part done. So A part and B part. This was for B part. Okay. Now let's go with the C part. The manufacturer needs to minimize the surface area of a tablet. Use the calculus, okay, to find the value of x. Okay, they did not tell us to find the value of a. Please mind it. Be careful. Previous question, they used to always tell you to find the value of a or a volume, not of the r. But anyway, we used to get the value of r now. Here they said us to find the value of x. Remember that very carefully. So how do I? When it is minimum, minimum is divided by dx equals to 0. So in this case, C part, dA by dx equals to 0. But for that, I need to simplify this equation. What will it be? 2 pi x square plus 120 x raised to minus 1. Okay. So 2 to the 4 pi x minus 120 x raised to minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, bring this on the other side. 4 pi x is equal to 120 divided by x. Bring it on the other side, x square. Cross multiplication. X square is equal to 120 divided by 4 pi and root of the answer. 120 divided by 4 pi.
X cube, right?
It is x cube. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. X cube 4 pi. Okay. Cube root of answer. Cube root of answer, that is 2.12. So x is supposed to be 2.12 centimeter or meter. Let me check the mark scheme. Wait.
We have to complain municipality regarding to that, not municipality, electrical department.
For?
These people have.
Okay, so 2.12 is the answer. Now let's go to the D part. Calculate the minimum value of A. Oneki ki korbe, what you guys are going to do, tumra ekhane, you guys will find A value here itself. No, they told you to only find the value of X, which we did. Now they are saying you to find the value of A. So for that, you have to take the main equation and substitute 2.12 over there. That's it. Okay, you have to take the main equation, D part. You have to take the main equation. So that is 2 pi into 2.12 plus 120 divided by 2.12. Calculator করে এটা কত পাচ্ছ তোমরা বলো আমাকে। 2 pi into 2.12. Okay, 13.32 plus 120 divided by 2.12. 56.6. Around 70. Around 70 is the area. Okay. Acha, then I think next part you guys can do on your own. It's of 2 marks. You have to just double differentiate and x এর জায়গায় তোমাদেরকে 2.12 করতে হবে. You have to double differentiate what you have already differentiated. So let's see. This is our differentiation. Yeah. No. Last করতে হবে. What's this? Copy, paste. I have to double differentiate this. This is for D part. So for that, it's going to be 4 pi. Okay. I'm double differentiating, by the way. Minus plus hobe 120 into 2 x raised to minus 3 equals to 0. Sorry, 0 darkar nahi, equals to d square y divided by dx square. Okay, so you guys have to substitute in place of x, that is 240 divided by 2.12 whole cube. I'm pretty sure you will get a value which is positive, so greater than 0, therefore it is minimum. Okay, so till here our first session is over. Now 8 to 10, try to join within 8 o'clock itself, 8:05, not more than that please, because I'm giving you guys 15 minutes earlier anyway. So I'll be doing next questions with you all. You guys can leave now. Where is the question, by the way? Wait. Yes, I will do these things, okay, from next part onwards. You guys can leave the class now.